Hi, I'm Sam, and today I'm demoing how to use Flightcrew's new GitHub Copilot extension to prevent outages in my live cloud environment, all from within my IDE. I'm in my config repo, so I'll start by asking Flightcrew if there's anything I should be aware of. At Flightcrew Copilot, what are my highest priority action items? Flightcrew is constantly monitoring and profiling services in production to find outage risks, compliance violations, and opportunities to cut cost. Here it found a few workloads that are at high risk of an outage in my Kubernetes clusters, and it's identified which config files need to be updated to fix these issues. So taking a look at this orders deployment, it says it's at risk of crashing because it's under provisioned, so we should definitely update this config file. Let me open that up. So I don't necessarily know what to change in here yet, so I'll ask for some specifics. Can I have a recommendation for this service? So it looks like one of my team's SLOs is being violated, and Flightcrew is suggesting a change to some resources, and it's predicting that this change is going to be safe based on historical metric data. So before I apply this change, I can ask for some further explanation and clarification just to make sure I understand it. So explain to me what's wrong with this service and how this recommendation will prevent future issues. So really I'm just looking to Flightcrew to add some context here about why this change makes sense. It looks like it's saying, okay, so because it's under provision, there's not enough memory. This is causing some crashing, and it looks like just increasing the limit will prevent this issue and not affect any other metrics such as cost. So that makes sense to me. Let me apply this change in line. Thank you. All right, and so I'm the code owner for this front-end deployment. While I'm here, let me check if there are any risks. Are there any recommendations for this service? So this recommendation looks like it's significantly reducing costs by updating resources and some advanced HPA scaling behavior. But actually I noticed that this is violating some of my company's policies and best practices, so probably wouldn't even pass an organizational review. Let's start there. While I'm here, what resiliency and policies can I fix? So Flightcrew scanned for violations. There are a bunch. I can use Copilot to apply these changes inline as well. Let's do that. Awesome. So that's probably enough for one PR, so let me stop there. By installing the Flightcrew extension, I've created a connection between Copilot and my live cloud, so it's watching my back and helping me prevent service outages. Our Flightcrew extension is now live in the Copilot marketplace, so you can download it now and try it out. Thanks so much for watching.